What up? Scionaugh here with another quick tip. Today we're going to talk about an arrangement technique which is using contrast, and in particular I'm talking about following a busy repetitive section with a spacious sporadic section. A busy section is going to sound something like this. What have we got going on here? Well, we've got these repetitive stab sounds. They just keep repeating there. And we've got these pads here. We've also got these arps. Very pretty. We can see just visually there's a lot of stuff consistently running. There's no spaces in this. It creates tension because the longer you have busyness, the more energy it builds, but also that creates a tension because that energy can get overwhelming over time. From this drop that sounds like this, bloody hectic, goes into this. We have a total of a minute and a half where it's pretty full and pretty intense. So then where does that? It builds and builds and it comes into a moment where we just isolate the arp. Here's that arp coming in here. And then And if you like what you hear here, you can check out the full song on my new EP, Tamagotchi Pipe Dreams. This is the final track. It's a collab with Klipsun. It's called Digitaletic. Hope you enjoyed this video.